Glock, no whip. Say the all fried so crispy. He got walks on like this. Hold on, call my phone, I'm busy. I'm tryna get rich, bitch trip. If I work or die, it ain't no difference. As long as I ain't cheating, she ain't tripping. That's why I ain't fucking with these bitches. I ain't got no.
YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Chop by Vea, and I'm back once again with another video. Once again, I do apologize because not only is it 10 o'clock when I'm recording this video, so y'all gonna get this video late, but it has been 7 days since I posted a video, and I do apologize. And I'm gonna try to be more consistent, but I'm trying to tell y'all it's hard to think of video ideas, you feel me? So I posted on my Instagram what video ideas would y'all like to see, and somebody commented. Let me see what they commented. Somebody commented and said, how to get more clients as a beginner barber. You feel me? So that's what I'm gonna be telling y'all in this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, y'all comment, y'all subscribe, and with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so the first thing to grow clientele, how to get your clientele from, or how to get your page from this to this with these easy steps, you feel me, is the first step is being consistent. So I started cutting hair, let me see, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a minute, that's all I know. It was 2021, now we're in 2024, so going on 3 years. So I've been cutting hair for 3 years. The first year and a half, I wasn't consistent. I was doing maybe one cut every 3 months. I was only on my homeboy, so consistency is key because once I started being consistent, it went up, and it went up fast. So to start off and grow your clientele fast, you have to have a friend or a family member that is going to let you practice. I had my friend Sean and my family members who let me practice. I was terrible in the beginning, but I got good. So after you get decent from being consistent, the second thing that you'll need to do is have fair prices. So at first, I wasn't charging at all. So if you're a starting out barber, don't charge, give out free cuts for the experience. You know what I'm saying? You may be like, I don't want to be giving out free service, but it's going to pay off. You can't charge somebody $10, $15 for a service when they can go and pay $20 and get a perfect haircut. You feel me? So free haircuts in the beginning, you're going to get more clientele that way. So that's an easy step, is charging free. Then once you get decent like I did, charge $10, then $15. I stayed at $15 for like a year. Once my clientele got up, I went up to $20. Stayed at $20 for another year. I just recently went up to $22. So to keep gaining your clientele after you already have clientele like I did, I could have stayed at $20, but I seen that I've got way better. So I was like, you know what I'm saying? It's time for an upgrade. Most barbers charge $25, $30. Let me do $22. Clients might tip, give me $25. Easy, you feel me? So now I charge $22. So that goes along with the second step. Have unique pricing because nobody wants to go to a barber that charges $30, $35 every single time. So $22, and that's why my clientele is the way it is, you feel me? With a third step, you have to be versatile. You can't just be a barber that can only cut white people hair or can only cut black people hair. And you see, a lot of people, and I can show you right here, a lot of people say that I can only cut black people hair, which is strange to me because I cut white people hair. Right here, it says, we want you to cut more white people hair. I cut white people hair. So you have to be versatile. I feel like if I was more versatile, I'd have even more clientele. But I'm not so versatile to other people's eyes. But in my eyes, I am. I can cut anybody's hair. Like, let me show you. You feel me? White. Then we go
if I get in that jam, I'm gonna let it blow. Nigga never took nothing from me.
black. You know what I'm saying? So be versatile, and that's gonna get your clientele up. And with the third, no, that's the third. So the fourth thing and I feel like this is very important. It's promotion. I made my Instagram page when I first started cutting hair. Let me show y'all. I was posting, but I wasn't really posting. TikTok is the best place to post, but I don't post on there because I feel like my TikTok is cooked. Like, I can't even get more views than I get. And as you can see, this is what I mean by promotion. This is over the years. Like, I've been posting, bro. Like, posting. So, when I first made my Instagram, this is what I posted. First ever haircut. And then
turn on lemon mode, that shit be automatic. Ain't gotta tell her take them off, that shit be automatic. See this little cube on the back, it make.
We got into the more cuts. The more I was posting, the more people were seeing my work. So don't just post on your stories. Make a reel, an Instagram reel that could get easy 1,000 views, and then you there. You feel me? So make sure you post. Make sure you spread the word. You feel me? Because the word is the biggest thing. So after you get those 4 steps down, you're good. Then it goes to a whole nother level. So after I completed those 4 steps, I started getting a little clientele here and there, maybe 1 cut a week, you feel me? And I was able to charge $15. But then it gets to the point you have to upgrade your equipment. In order to get more clientele, you have to be investing in your craft. So that's when you buy a $300 pair of clippers or a new chair or a new mirror, you feel me? So what I did, I went ahead and I bought some $300 pair of clippers, the Babyless Gold, you feel me? Then got a chair, stayed with that. Once I got better, I got the whole setup, you feel me? So you have to really be invested into barbering. Barbering is not just like that, you feel me? Like, if you want something just like that, you might as well go get you a 9 to 5. All you gotta do is an interview and you got the job. Barbering, it takes a while, but it's worth the while, you feel me? Because now y'all are here watching me. But I feel like those are the 5 easy steps to gain clientele, and if you can do those steps, you can be me or better than me or any other barber that anybody looks up to, you feel me? So with that being said, I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.
Hit a whole block, no whip. Made it all fried so crispy. He got walks on like this. Hold on, call my phone, I'm big. I'm tryna get rich, bitch trip. If I work or die, it ain't no difference. As long as I ain't cheating, she ain't tripping. That's why I ain't fucking with these bitches. I ain't got no